Alright, this tutorial is going to be about how to format your essay properly. So anything you write in an essay should have a couple of things on it. It should have a heading, it should have a title, it should have paragraphs, things like that. And the way you format it makes it nice and neat for people to read. So what we are going to do is create a heading here. So we go to name, that's the first thing, and you're going to tab over, and we're just going to put the date. And you're going to tab over so it goes right to the edge. So that's the edge it looks like, and you can space over there. And we're going to put teacher name, then tab over, and do subject here. And you can just kind of back it up when it gets to the edge. That's what I do. Perfect. You can make it nice and even too. That works as well. So just tab. There we go. So after that, you can justify things. That just means where they are on the paper. So if I go to this center aligned, that means anything that I type will be center aligned, and you do that for titles. So every title is going to be center aligned. So I type my title there, and then I can hit enter. And I'm ready now to start my paragraphs. Now paragraphs just happen to be left aligned, so I click the left button, and I know that when I start a paragraph, I'm going to indent, so I hit the tab key once, and that will indent your work. So now I can write starting my essay. So hello. So I'm writing here, and notice when I keep writing and I go over and go to the next line, that it is not indented. So only the first line here is indented. This line should not be indented. And as you know, when you start a new paragraph, you would also have that indented on the first line only. So if you ever get messed up, like if this stuff is over here, or it's like right, you can always change it back to left. And you don't want center either, you want it left. The font, you can always highlight, and you can change here. Usually it's Times. So if you come down, you can find Times New Roman here, and it's usually 12 point. And you don't want to change it to any silly fonts or big fonts because, the proper writing style is this. Finally, sometimes the last thing you do is you highlight everything and you go to Format, and we're going to go to line spacing. We use double space lines. So that's pretty much it. That's kind of formatting in a nutshell. It's pretty easy. That's the standard format you're going to use, and that's all there is to it.